Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. So I'm doing this twisty kitty. I thought it would be a fun pose to do. And I'm going double the speed here and voicing over. So I'm just kind of mapping out kitty shapes. While I'm aiming for accuracy, I'm also aiming for rhythm to make sure that, things flow together nicely. Is that hip up there and that leg sticking up? We'll refine them later. We're just getting the general shapes in for now. Is that tail flopped over? Muzzle. It's funny how cats can look graceful in just about any position. I love to hear from you, especially when you tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing, maybe a particular pose that you want to learn to do. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn, and I will do my best to get it on here. I like that. That was kind of a gentle expression. I like using the tabby markings to give some contour and expression. Simple little lines can really change the expression on the cat. And then if you replicate that throughout the whole drawing, even if it's not on the cat's face, it just helps the drawing have more unity and flow. Just a suggestion of toes. It's just a gesture drawing. So we'll just really strengthen up some of the lines that I want to keep here now. Just a suggestion of hair inside the ears. And a suggestion of tabby stripes too. I just decide which details are important. And then I capture just a gesture. Just to keep the liveliness in the drawing. And it's about the expression. About my interpretation. It's not about every little detail. Not for me anyways. But you gotta find your own way. Do what works for you. You can take the little tips I give you and put them to work for you, but the ones that don't work, you don't have to do everything the same as me for sure. But that stuff might come back to you later. You might think, hey, that might work now. Gotta add some whiskers. And the bottom whiskers kind of need to look like they're squashed under the kitty's face too. There we go, I like it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.